In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own stock candlestick chart using Google Sheets. This is perfect if you're just getting started with Google Finance tools, and by the end you'll have a clean, interactive chart ready for analysis. Start by heading to sheets.google.com and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Think of this as your canvas. A tidy sheet now will make the rest of the process smoother and your final chart easier to read. In the very first cell, A1 will pull in historical stock data. Type the following formula exactly as you hear it. Google Finance, AAPL, all, date 2025-1/1, today. Oh, this tells Google Sheets to retrieve Apple's historical prices from January 1st, 2025 through today. You can replace AAPL with any valid ticker symbol if you're tracking a different company, and you can adjust the start date to match the time window you want to analyze. When you press enter, give it a moment. Google Finance will populate a table with dates alongside open, high, low, and close prices, plus other useful fields. To make your dates clearer for the chart, insert a new column and title it Date. In the first row of that new column, enter X text A2 DD MMYYY. This converts the original date into a simple, readable format that looks clean on a chart. If your region typically uses month/day, you can switch the order in the format string, but keep it consistent throughout your sheet for clarity. Now it's time to visualize. Highlight your data, including the new date column and the relevant price columns, but deliberately skip the original date column produced by Google Finance. This helps the chart use the formatted date you just created. With your selection in place, go to Insert on the menu bar and click Chart. Sheets will drop in a chart based on your selection. Open the chart editor on the right and change the chart type to Candlestick Chart. This chart style is designed for financial data and makes it easy to see daily price ranges and closing trends at a glance. In the Series or Setup section, make sure the inputs are correctly mapped. Low should point to the low values, open to the open values, close to the close values, and high to the high values. If anything looks off, double check that your selected columns are in the intended order and that the mapping matches those columns precisely. And that's it, a polished candlestick chart built entirely in Google Sheets using live Google Finance data. Adjust the date range or ticker anytime to tell a different story, and you'll see the chart update automatically. Thanks for watching and happy charting.